Γεια σας, είμαι η Κωνσταντίνα με το LearnGreekViaTalking και σήμερα θα σας πω τι σημαίνει στην ελληνική αργό είναι της πλάκας. Είναι της πλάκας, it is an expression that we use whenever we want to say that something is pointless, worthless, and a waste of time. So, let's break it down. Είναι means it is and πλάκας, it is a noun, η πλάκα, that means tile literally. However, we use this word metaphorically a lot whenever we're referring to fun and joke. So let's have a look at some examples. If I say το τηλέφωνο είναι της πλάκας, I mean that this telephone device is worthless and a waste of time. And if I say η συζήτηση είναι της πλάκας, it means that the conversation is a joke. It's a waste of time. So if you want to practice more, please feel free to do so in the comments below and I will happily assist. Otherwise, if you're interested in one-to-one lessons, let me know because my teaching method can really boost your confidence in speaking Greek even if you are on level 0. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you on the next one.